Today we are going to learn 9th standard set language exercise 1.4 third sum. If A equal to P, Q, R, S and B equal to M, N, Q, S, T and C equal to M, N, P, Q, S, then verify the associative property of union of sets. Associative property means, so I've written like this for your understanding. A union B union C is equals to A union B union C. So first two elements brackets, last two elements brackets, so that you can remain associative property easily. This is the associative property for union of sets. If they asked intersection of the sets, you have to write A intersection B intersection C, A intersection B intersection C. So the brackets for first two elements and last two elements. This is for your understanding. Here in the question they have asked union of sets. So we have to write the first one. Therefore A union B union C is equals to A union start brackets B union C close brackets. So if they ask union, you have to write this one. If they ask intersection, you have to write this one. So first we'll find the left hand side, A union B union C. First we'll solve inside the brackets, A union B. Since A is given first, I have written the value of A. Next union, I have written the value of B. The relationship between A and B is union. Union means we need all the elements from A and B. Repeated elements write down once, write in ascending order to avoid the confusion. Therefore, compare A and B and write down all the elements. So, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. Next, we will find the whole term A union B union C. The value of A union B is just now we have find above. That is M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. Union, the value of C, it is given in the question M, N, P, Q, S. So, union M, N, P, Q, S. The relationship between A union B union C is union. So, we want all the elements of A union B and C. Repeated, write down once, write in ascending order to avoid the confusion. So, we have to compare both the things and we'll write all the elements. M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. Now the right hand side A union B union C. First we'll solve inside the brackets B union C. Since B is given first, we have to write the values of B. Next union, then we'll write the value of C. So compare B and C. We have to write all the elements since it is union. And write twice repeated elements you write down once. Write in ascending order. So M, N, P, Q, S, T. Next, we'll write the whole term. First, we have solved inside the brackets. Now, we'll write the whole term. A union B union C is equals to. Since A is given first, value of A union B union C. Just now, we have find above. The value is M, N, P, Q, S, T. The relationship between them is union. Therefore, we have to compare both the things and we have to write all the elements. That is M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. When you compare the left hand side and right hand side, both are equal. Therefore, A union B union C is equals to A union B union C. That is, associative property of union of sets satisfies. Fourth question, verify the associative property of intersection of the sets for A value and B value and C values are given. They asked us to find associative property for intersection. So the formula is A intersection B intersection C is equals to A intersection B intersection C. First two elements, last two elements. This is for your understanding. I am teaching you like this. So A intersection B intersection C. First we'll solve inside the brackets. A intersection B. Since A is given first, we have to write the value of A. It is given in the question. Intersection, then the value of B. The relationship between A and B is intersection. Intersection means we have the common element you have to write down. We'll circle the common element, that is root 5. We'll write the value here. Therefore, the value of A intersection B is root 5. Next, we'll find the whole term. A intersection B intersection C. So, the value of A intersection B is root 5. Intersection, the value of C is given in the question root 2, root 3, root 5, root 9. The relationship between them is intersection. So, we'll circle the common element and we'll write down. The common element here is root 5. So, the answer is root 5. Now this is about a left hand side. Now we'll come to the right hand side. A intersection B intersection C. First we'll solve inside the brackets B intersection C. Since B is given first, I have written the value of B intersection, then the value of C. The relationship between them is intersection. Intersection means common. We'll find out what is common here. Root 3, root 5. So we'll write down the common elements here. Next we'll find the whole term A intersection B intersection C. Since A is first, we'll write the value of A intersection B intersection C. Just now we have find it above, that is root 3 root 5. So root 3 comma root 5. So we'll find what is common here. Root 5 root 5. So we'll write that it has answer. When we compare left hand side and right hand side, both are equal. Therefore, we have proved associative property of intersection satisfies this sum. Thank you children. Any doubt, please comment.